in Freshdesk. Hello everyone, in this video I'll put you through on how you can add users in Freshdesk. So if this is your question, just watch till the end, alright, so that you can know what to do and how to go about it. The first step, log in into your Freshdesk account as an administrator. Then navigate to your admin portal from the menu. This is the menu by the left side of the screen. Scroll down to the setting gear, to the gear icon, and then click on it. So after clicking on your admin to open up your admin panel, the next step is to move to the left side of the screen where you can see some options like team, channels, workflows, account productivity, etc. Then go ahead and click on team. Then under the teams option, you can see agents, groups, roles, business skills, etc. Then you click on agent. So after clicking on agents, on the agents page, you can see options like um search for agents, support agents, collaborators, deactivated agents. Just go to the top part of the screen and then click on new agent. Next to the export button. So now you have to select the agent type, okay? Do you want it to be a support agent or a collaborator? Do you want it to be full time or occasional? Ensure you select the kind of agent or the kind of user you want. And the next step is to type out the email address of the agent. So for me, I'll be typing out the email address in here right now. All right. This is an example. Kindly note that. Okay. So after typing in the email address, the next step is to scroll down. You can decide to upload the image of the person. All right. And then the language you want to use or the person is using. Ensure you select the language that is suitable the for everyone, including you and the person, for easy communication. And then the name, the phone number, the job title, your signature, um the roles you want to assign to the person. Then click on create agent. After clicking on create agent, the invite will be sent to the person, and once the person accepts it, he or she will be a user on your Freshdesk account. So you can always come over to do this as often as you can, depending on the amount of user that you need. So this is it. This is how you can add users in Freshdesk. Thank you.